Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today guys, we are gonna do something for the keep. In the last episode we just create this beautiful arch that actually deserve a beautiful iron gate. I want to draw my own gate guys, and I want to create the file that then my laser cutter will cut. I'm totally an amateur in laser cutting guys, but since Longer was kind enough to send me this beautiful Ray5 10 watt powerful machine, I want to give it a try and I want to create my own iron gate with MDF. This will be a beautiful journey guys. No need for special tools for do this, okay, exception for the laser cutter of course. I will start to draw my own gate on PowerPoint. Yes, Office PowerPoint guys. You can use also Word, and you also can use some pen and pencil, something like that, because actually you need a black and white very clear image. Buckle up, this is quite a long shot, so sit down, relax and crack on. I often use the Add Object tool in PowerPoint, Word and Excel to quickly draw complex geometric elements. The secret is to proceed in small steps with the basic shapes. The entire gate was first created with squares, circles and triangles. The possibility of verifying the real dimension of the drawn object allows us to create what we want already perfectly scaled for our model. Once I started, I got excited and I wanted to create not only the main gate but also a series of doors, grates and windows. One of the main advantages of owning a laser cutter in our hobby is being able to build templates for small pieces. Usually I used to buy them from Shifty Lens. They have a vast assortment at a reasonable price. But above all, I can create an entire series of shingles. But we will see this later. Once a digital image has been created, we need to convert it into a format that is compatible with our laser cutter. Ray5 itself is capable of converting numerous images into DXF files, but I prefer to use a dedicated converter. There are hundreds of them with open access online, and they do most of the work for us in just a few seconds, in a click. For realize this project, I put some 3mm thick MDF under the machine, and I'm gonna use this caliber for perfectly focus the laser on the material. So you put the stuff here. It's a manual setting, screws, and this is perfectly focused, okay? I wanna show you the screen so you can follow me step by step on this laser cutting, okay? Let's go. Okay, so first we are gonna download the file from internet. Yeah, here it is. Now we're gonna open the Lightburn app. Okay, and we're gonna open our file. Okay. Okay, this is very big. we are gonna fix the aspect. Okay, it's 400 by 400 millimeters. That is okay. Okay, so let's reduce the zoom. Okay, this is our area. Now I want to select it all, and if it's possible to reduce it. Okay, just like that, so it can fit on the area like that. Okay, then I want to put them on the high and left corner. Let's get bigger. I want to set it like 1000 millimeter per minute, 3 passages and 100 power. Okay, let's check the frame. So let's check it out. As you can see, 3 passages is not enough. This was 5 passages, actually. Oh. Yeah, not enough. Not enough at all. Ah, però. Nope. First experiment failed. Now I want to change the impostation. I want to reduce the speed. So let's go 400 millimeter per meters. In the meantime, let me remind you that right now, for those interested, the Ray5 is available at an unmissable price. Follow the link in the description box below and add the promotional code for a truly incredible flash price. Check it out, guys. The machine is still working, but look. Look. Beautiful. Okay, guys, the machine has done. the job. Now let's check it out. It's cooling down, but we can turn it off. Okay, quiet now, huh? Let's move this. We can move it a little bit like that. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's perfect, guys. Look at that. I have some double lines because actually I didn't fix the wood, so I hurt the table a couple of times, but this is beautiful. Now guys, I consider this an absolute win. Look at this. We have our beautiful gate. It's impressive, the level of detail, and yeah, I can improve a little bit with the positioning of the piece and stuff, but look at that. And look this little one. Insane. Absolutely insane. Now look how beautiful it is with the arch. My god, this is unbelievably good. So far, so good. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!